Hey guys, my name is Martin Svensson, and in this course, GarageBand for iOS, I will show you how to learn and master GarageBand in just a few hours. I'm going to show you how to download GarageBand, where to get it from, and where to get all of the sounds from as well. I'm going to take an overview of the interface, and I'm going to talk about the different parts of GarageBand briefly first, and then we're going to dive into the different separate elements in GarageBand, such as the keyboard, smart piano, Alchemist synth, drum section, smart drums, acoustic drum, beat sequencer, different amps. We're also going to cover the audio recorder. You can record your own voice with different effects, as well as record guitars or line-ins with different amps. We're also going to cover the string section, bass section, the guitar section. You can create different very cool chords with the guitar, smart guitar for instance. You can also set that you only play different scales of the guitar or the strings, piano, and all of the other instruments as well. We're also going to take a look at the drummer. In the drummer, you can choose different acoustic drummers, which will generate real drum loops for, let's say, acoustic drums and electronic drums as well. We're also going to take a look at external instruments and plugins, such as audio unit extensions. So that is separate iOS apps that you can use within GarageBand. We're also going to take a look at the sound library that comes with GarageBand, which is huge. It is a lot of different sounds, and the sounds are really good, and they are all for free. Then we're also going to take a look at the live loops, and live loops is a really cool way to get up with different music ideas in an instant. And we're also going to take a look how to record your own sounds in the live loop mode as well. Then we're going to take a look at the arrangement. We're going to cover how to move regions, copy regions, edit MIDI, resize, loop, rename, and also creating app loops, adding app loops, and all of the different stuff that you can do in the arrangement. We're also going to save our project with iCloud. Then I'm going to show you how to save and move projects from the iCloud to your iPad. And also, I'm going to export the full song to an MP3 file that we're going to use, so you can use it in your car or on your iPhone or whatever you're using there. So as I said before, you will learn GarageBand in just a few hours with this course. So let's see you in the course.